Da VK sempre gosta dessa, tá aí presente. Posso? Dance, 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 é bandido, é traficante. 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 Dance, 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 é bandido, é traficante.
What is good, everybody? Today, bringing you an unboxing of these absolute beasts. The season 6 in the ox blood colorway. Got them on sale for £112 from HBX. Monsters, Goliath of slides. These are some clout ass chasing slides, boy. Hello? Wow, what can I say? A lot of inspiration from the Visvim Christos. Massive, massive tongues. Some freaking clouds, boy. Some marshmallows. Like, colour.
The colour's nice.
It's got quite like it's a dirty colour, but it's cozy. It's gravy.
Gravy.
Gravy. But yeah, a heavy inspiration from the Visvim Christos, which we actually have here. Visvim Christos. If you know, you know from the FIL Hiroshima opening in Japan. You guys, leave your comments down below. Which ones you think are better looking? But these aren't made in Italy. These are straight out Chinese factories. You can smell that. Smell that. It smells nasty, guys. But yeah, Visvims, Yeezys. Leave your comments down below. Which ones you prefer? These aren't the only thing that I have from Yeezy. I also have Yeezy hiking boots. I know some of you probably seen these before. You know, people like Ian Connor, ASAP Bari, they've worn them. And also I've also got these, the OG season 3 winter boots, leather guts. What do you think of these?
Those are more like the quality of these.
You can definitely tell.
The fabrics are similar. Like, they're really casual fabrics, whereas these are really more worky, like strong fabric. Like,
you can definitely tell. You can definitely tell that these came straight out of Italy, boy. Straight off the Italian cows in the mountains of Sicily. Fire. You can tell that like these are a Yeezy slide. You can just tell from the silhouette. Chunky. Like, that's kind of a thing right now. Everything's chunky these days. Personally, I think Yeezy has been one of those brands where, almost a bit like Virgin Off-White, where they kind of did it because they could. I think Yeezy's first collection, it was a bit boring, a bit basic, but that's the same with all his collections, really.
It was more of a statement.
Yeah, it's more of a statement. Fashion. Just like Virgil's first collection, right? From where Yeezy came from, season 3, really high quality stuff. Well, obviously, you know, Kanye, he made that whole interview statement thing saying that he wanted everybody to have Yeezys and whatnot.
But that's the thing, with him wanting everyone to be able to buy a pair, then you have to go down in quality, it's fair. And then when everyone has them, nobody wants them. So
that's the thing with high. It's a really weird paradox. But yeah, people, stay out of the matrix. Wear what you like what you like. You know, I like this stuff. It's cool.
I like this stuff.
You know, to obviously like, share, and subscribe. But most importantly, have a absolutely blessed day.
Have a splendid day.
Have a splendid day. Okay, just be happy. You know, dare to live. Be happy. Right.